Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade Alfredo sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 5 cups of unsalted butter, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. You'll also need a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Make sure your equipment, like a sturdy whisk and a medium saucepan, is clean and ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and delicious cooking process. Now, let's start building that rich, creamy base. Melt 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter in your saucepan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, slowly pour in 2 cups of heavy cream, whisking continuously. Keep the heat gentle. You want the cream to warm through and just barely simmer, not boil. This careful approach prevents the sauce from breaking and keeps it wonderfully smooth. With your cream base warm, it's time for the star ingredient, the Parmesan cheese. Gradually add 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan, whisking constantly until it's completely melted and incorporated. The sauce will begin to thicken beautifully as the cheese melts. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed to achieve your perfect flavor profile. Your homemade Alfredo sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over your favorite hot pasta, like fettuccine, for the best experience. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a little extra Parmesan cheese makes a lovely garnish. This sauce is incredibly versatile and pairs well with chicken or shrimp too. For more great tips and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.